there are five major factors which will determine the corresponding topic, that is determining speed. The very first one is mobility of nervous system, second is muscle composition, third is explosive strength, fourth is flexibility, fifth is biochemical reserves, then metabolic power. Very first one, mobility of nervous system. A muscle contract and relax at maximum possible speed, such as in sprinting event. The rapid contraction and relaxation of muscle is made possible by rapid excitation and inhibition of concerned motor centers. This is called mobility of nervous system. The nervous system can maintain this rapid excitation and inhibition by only for a few seconds, after which the excitation spreads to the neighboring centers, causing tension in the entire body. This results in decrease in speed. The mobility of nervous system can be trained, but only to a very limited extent. In fact, speed is determined to a great extent by genetic factor. Muscle composition. The muscles which have more percentage of fast twitch fiber contract with more speed as compared to that which have lower percentage of fast twitch fiber. In fact, muscle composition genetically determined and cannot be changed by training. Different muscles of the body have different percentage of fast twitch fibers. So, different parts of body have different speed performances. Explosive strength. For a quick and explosive movement, explosive strength is indispensable. For example, a quick punch in a boxing cannot be delivered if the boxer lacks explosive strength. Explosive strength further depends on muscle composition, muscle size and muscle coordination. It also depends on metabolic processes. Except muscle composition, the remaining factor can be improved through training, which ultimately improves the speed up to limited extent. The relative proportion of fast twitch fiber and slow twitch fiber determines to a large extent the maximum possible speed with which a muscle can contract. The proportion of fibers is genetically determined. Owing to that, top sprinters have more percentage of fast twitch fiber, whereas endurance athletes have more percentage of slow twitch fibers, that is Z fibers. Flexibility. Up to some extent, flexibility also determines the speed. In fact, good flexibility allows maximum range of movement without much interval resistance. Flexibility also enables complete utilization of explosive strength, biochemical reserve and metabolic powers. For maximum speed performances, the muscle requires the more amount of energy at a very high rate of consumption. For this purpose, the phosphogen, that is adenosine triphosphate ATP and creatine phosphate CP stores in the muscles should be enough. If ATP and CP store is less in contracting muscle, the muscle contraction due to insufficient energy supply becomes slow after a short time. The energy supply also depends on certain enzymes which increase the metabolic power. The amount of ATP and CP and rate of energy supply can be enhanced by training. Therefore, it can be said that biochemical reserves and metabolic power determine the speed. Physiological factors determining endurance.